Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to program the HiLow game. I'm not going to talk about the game itself because we've done that when we were doing structured English. So before we start programming, let's think about the game. So in this game we need two variables. One is the guess number, which is the user input, and the other one is the secret number, which is the number computer generated. So we're going to compare these two numbers. There are only two situations. So if the two numbers are equal, but here we need to use double equal sign because we're comparing, remember? If it's equal, then it's correct. If it's not, then it's incorrect. So there are only two situations in incorrect. Is either the guess number is lower than the secret number, then we display too low, or the guess number is higher, then we display too high. So that's it. Let's start programming. First of all, we create the first variable, number. We say number equals, we want the computer to generate a number. In Python, there is special built-in function. It's called random.randiant. So that's what I did here. But to use that, to be able to use that, we need to import this function. So random. So random.randiant, and then we want this number to be within the range 1 to 100. So 1, 100. Next line, we're going to create another variable. It's called guess. So this guess is a user input. It's an integer as well. Input. And please enter a number. Now we want to compare these two variables. As long as they're not equal, I want to compare over and over again. So it means I'm going to create a loop. So here I'm going to create a while loop. While guess not equal to number. Then we'll say if guess smaller than number. I want to print just very simple, just say too low. And then else we just print too high. Okay, now up here, this loop, the problem is it's gonna run forever. We have to write something to stop it. So guess equal to int input, please enter another guess. So in this way, if it's, for example, smaller than number, the guess smaller than number, and then we say too low, so then we break the while loop. We want the user to make another guess. So in this way, the while loop will be stopped, and then we can type in another word and then compare again. So then let's jump out of the while loop. What if the guess equals the number? So we just print. Well done. You guessed it. Okay, now let's run and then have a look. Okay, as you can see, it worked, and I guess the number was 44. Well done, you guessed it. To make this game better, I add another while loop on top of this. So I create a variable called play and give it a value y. So when play equals to y, I want this game to run, okay, until I guess the number, and then I will prompt user another message saying, do you want to play again? So if the user type in y, then this variable play will equal to y. So then the game will start again. If they type in n, so play will equal to n, then it's not y anymore. It doesn't meet the requirement here, the condition of the first while loop. So this game won't start again. So in this way, after the user gets the number, we can ask the user whether you want to play again.